Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Good morning children. This is our first day of chapter multiplication. This is your chapter 5 in your notebook. First of all, we have to know about what is multiplication and how we multiply between two numbers or two digits. Multiplication means divided of digits. When we repeat digits, it's called divided of additions is called multiplication. When we write in this way 2 plus 2 we get 4, and when we multiply 2 into 2 we get 4. And next, when we write 2 plus 2 plus 2 we get 6, means we write 2 in 3 times. and 2 को 3 बार लिखे तो हमें 6 मिला. तो यहाँ we multiply 2 into 3 we get 6. This is the dividend of addition is called our multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition of a number. When we repeat a number, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 we get 12, means we write 4 in 3 times, so we get 12, and 4 into 3 we get 12. This is our multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. The symbol of multiplication is x. This is the symbol of multiplication. Into stands for multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. Here is 4 plus 4 plus 4, and we write 4 in 3 times we get 12. When we multiply 4 into 3 we get 12. This is our multiplication. And next, the result of multiplication is called the product. When we get the any product, any value of multiplication, this is called our multiplication. When we get 7 into 3 we get 21. This is the value of 7 into 3. This 21 is called the product of 7 into 3. We can write 8 as the product of 4 into 4 and 2. When we write 4 into 2 we get 8. So we can write 8 is the product of 4 into 4 and 2. That is 6. 3 into 2 we get 6. Then we can say 6 is the product of 3 and 2. So when we find any value of 2 multiplication, we call it their product. Next one, we can write 8 as the product of 4 and 2. And next, multiplication on number line. We can get the multiplication on number line. This is our number line, and we have to multiply 3 into 4. First of all, we know how we multiply. 3 into 4, we can write it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 4 times we can write 3. We all know multiplication is the dividend of addition. There is we can write 3 into 4 times, or in this way 3 into 4. And we have to show on this number line 3 into 4. We have to multiply 3 into 3 to 4 times. 1 into 3. First time 3 into 3. This is our first time, and this is our second time. 6 plus 3 we get 9. This is our third time, and this is our fourth time. We get the product of 3 and 4 equal to 12. So 3 into 4 equal to 12, and when we add 3 plus 3 plus 3 we get also 12. Let's see another example. Here is a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last you have to multiply 2 into 6. You have to multiply 2 into 6 means you have to multiply 2 6 times. 2 plus 2 multiplication. Repeated of addition is called multiplication. You have to find the product of 2 and 6 on number line. That is 2 and 6. First of all, this is our first position, first addition. 1 is first time. 2 plus 2 we get 4. This is our second time. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 we get 6. This is our third time. We have to count it 6 times. So this is our third time. 6 plus 2 we get 8. This is our fourth time. 8 plus 2 we get 10. This is our fifth time. 10 plus 2 we get 12. This is our sixth time. And this is the product of 2 and 6. 2 into 6 we get 12. And when we add 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, and 10 plus 2 we get 12. We get the product of 2 and 6 is equal to 12 on the basis of number line. And then your next topic is properties of multiplication. You all have to know about what is properties of multiplication, how we multiply between two numbers, and what we get after multiplying 1 to any digit, and how we get after multiplying 0 to any digit. This is called our properties of multiplication. And you have to read about three properties of multiplication. Here is your first property, order property of multiplication. In this property, you have to know about the product of any two numbers. The product of any two numbers remains same even after changing the order of application. यानी दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट जो आता है हमेशा सेम होता है चाहे उसका नंबर जो भी हो. जैसे here is 3 into 2 we get 6 and here is 2 into 3 we get 6. Means if here is 4 and 2, 4 into 2 we get 8. If we write 2 into 4 we get also 8. मतलब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि 2 लास्ट में हो या फर्स्ट में हो या 4 लास्ट में हो या फर्स्ट में हो, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट जो आएगा हमेशा सेम ही आएगा. Means even after changing the position of any application. This is the first property of your multiplication called order property of multiplication. In this property we can write the multiplication in two ways, but the product of these two ways we get the same product. Here we write 2 into 3, here we write 3 into 2, we get the same product. When we get the same product of two multiplication in any order, we call it the order property of multiplication. Here is the second property, multiplicative property of 1. The product of any number and 1 is exactly the number itself. यानी किसी नंबर पे एक से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो नंबर क्या होता है, खुद ही उसका प्रोडक्ट हो जाता है. जैसे here is 10 and here is 1, we get, when we multiply 10 and 1 we get 10. This is the product of 10. When we multiply 3 into 1 we get 3, and this 3 is the product of 3 and 1. And last property, multiplicative property of 0. The product of any number with 0 is 0. The product of any number with 0 is 0. When we multiply 0 with any number or any digit, we get the product is 0. When we multiply 0 into 10, we get 0. 10 into 0, we get 0. 2 into 0, we get 0. 0 into 2, we get also 0. When we multiply 0 with any digit or number, we get the product is 0. And when we multiply 1, we get the product itself. And this is the order property of multiplication. This is your three properties of multiplication to know about how we multiply the numbers. And now we have to read about the multiplication table of 8 and 16 with the help of repeated of addition, or with the help of multiplication we get a table of 8. 8 is a 1 digit table and here is 16 2 digit table. And we have to write 1 time 8. When we write 1 time 8 we get 8. When we write 2 times 8, 8 plus 8, we get 16. When we write 3 times 8, we get 24. When we write 4 times 8, we get 32. When we write 5 times 8, we get 40. In this way, when we write 6 times 8, 8 into 6, we get 48. When we write 7 times 8, and 8 into 7, we get 56. 8 times 8 means repeat of 8 in 7 times. When we write 8 times 8 into 8 into 8, we get 64. When we write 9 times 8, 8 into 9, we get 72. When we write 10 times 8, 8 into 10, we get 80. This is a table of 8 with the help of addition of repetition of addition or in multiplication. This is your table of 16. When we write 1 times 16, we get 16. When we write 2 times 16, we get 16 into 2 equal to 32. When we write 3 times 16, 16 into 3, we get 48. When we write 4 times 16, 16 into 4, we get 64. When we write 5 times 16, we get 16 into 5, 80. When we write 6 times 16, 16 into 6 equal to 96. When we write 7 times 16, 16 into 7, we get 112. When we write 8 times 16, 16 into 8, we get 128. When we write 9 times 16, we get 16 into 9 into equal to 144. When we write 10 times 16, 16 into 10, we get 160. This is the table of your 18 and 16, and you have to write the table 1 to 20 in this chapter.
Thanks for watching this video.